Hello everyone. Today in this video we will see how to create a virtual machine in AWS. So we will try to create a EC2 instance for a Windows and also for a Linux, and we will also try to connect to the Windows virtual machine and also the Ubuntu Linux virtual machine. So we are trying to connect the EC2 instance for a Windows with the RDP also. So we will see how to connect with the RDP, and we will also see how to connect the Ubuntu Linux system with the command prompt. Okay. Now we will try to uh, quickly see how to create a EC2 instance. First, you need to log into AWS account. If you have an AWS account, you can directly click the sign in button and you can directly log in. If you do not have the AWS account, you need to create one account. Okay, by clicking on this AWS create an AWS account. It is there is a 12-month free trial. There are some services that are available for 12-month free, so there are some limitations that you need to take care of. So when you create an AWS account, it will ask for a credit card. You need to give the credit card information or international debit card information. Okay, and you need to aware of this free tier details. Then only will be able to use properly AWS account without getting charged. Okay, now we will after logging after sign in, you will just see this kind of home page, right? And when you see, this is the region uh, that you are in now. You need to change this region according to the location that you are in. If you as I'm in India, so I'm choosing this Asia Pacific, Mumbai. So it is always recommended to use near location, near region. Okay, so as I'm in India, I'm choosing this one. So now you can see the search here, right? You can see the search and just type EC2. Then you will see the services related to your search. Then click on this EC2. So once you click on EC2, there is a dashboard for EC2. What are the instances that are running and a dedicated host, all the instances, load balancers, everything you'll be seeing. What are the related information for your EC2 instances. Now we will try to create EC2 instance. First we will go to the instances that are running. So in my currently there are no instances are running. So I'll create one instance by clicking on this launch instances. So I can give any name. For now, I'm giving project. I'm trying to create a machine for Windows. Okay. So EC2 instance is nothing but a plain computer. Okay. If you create any EC2 instance, that is a plain computer with a RAM and some amount of memory, some amount of storage that will be given to you. In that machine you can do lots of things, like you can install whatever the software that you want, and you can build the applications whatever you want. You can develop a project in that. So it's a plain computer that will be given, and it's a scalable also. So whenever you want to increase the memory, you can increase. Whenever you want to increase the storage, that you can do it. Okay. So now I'm trying to create a machine for a Windows. So here I got the options like sorry, Amazon Linux, Mac OS, any machine that you want to create, you can create. For now I'm choosing Windows. Okay, now you can see the amount of this is a 64 bit OS, and the instance type you can see here. This is a free tier eligible T2 micro. Okay, according to the requirement, you can choose one of the instances, but for now we are doing for only for learning purpose, so we are using the free tier eligible t2.micro. If you want more memory or more storage, you can choose one of them according to the requirements. According to the requirements of your project, you can choose one of them. See, if you can see here, to T2 X large, this is the 4 CPU and 16 GB memory, 16 GB RAM, and you can choose whatever the storage that you want. Here I'm getting 30 GB as a free trial. Okay, you can also choose, you can also increase later itself. Okay, so I am using, for first I'm using a free tier eligible T2.micro. This is I'm getting 1 CPU and 1 GB memory. So if I want to increase, I can also increase, but better to go more memory, because I want to install some softwares. But be aware that if you select this one, I will get charged for this. If you are running this EC2 instance, you will get charged. So if you don't want to get charged, you should select this one only, T2.micro. Okay, so for now I'm selecting this one for my own requirements. And this is a key pair. Every EC2 instance have a key pair to connect to it, so it's like a key for a house. Okay, if you want to enter into this machine, this is the key pair that you have to connect to. So I do, as of now I don't have any key pairs, so I will create one key pair here. So by clicking on this, I will create. So my key pair is now key machine. So I'm giving this name. You can choose this one or this one, PEM file or PPK. If you are downloading with a PPK, you should have the putty installed in your system, because you cannot connect to machine without using putty. Okay, if you are downloading this PPK file, you should have installed, you should have putty installed in your systems. So for now I am using this one only, the PEM file. So I'm creating this key pair. So this is downloaded now. So whenever I want to connect to any whenever I want to connect to this machine, I should use this one. Okay, so I will show you how to connect to this EC2 instance by using this key. So I will allow all the traffics, and this is the memory size, like storage size that I'm using. This is the 30 GB storage size. You can increase if you want according to the requirements. If you for this ABS, you will get charged if you increase it. Free trial eligible customers can use can get up to 30 GB only. So if you are using more than 30 GB, you will get charged. Okay, so I'm not using any of them. By default it will be same, and I am trying to hold on the EC2 instance now. So my EC2 instance is now created. So you can see here the instance state is still pending. This is running in the background. So once it is uh, once it is created, it will show you it is active. Okay, now let's wait for a few seconds. So it will be created. So once it is created, then only you'll be able to connect. Okay, this is running now. This is the status is changed to running now. So that means you can connect to this machine now. So we can connect in different ways. First we will only focus on the RDP, how to connect to this machine using a RDP. Okay, if you click on this instance ID, and you can see this is the instance ID, and this is the public IPv4, and this is the private IPv4. This is the host, that host. Okay, and so everything is normal now. Now we will connect to RDP. How to connect to RDP? Just click on connect. Now you can see there is a RDP client, right? So if you can see, just click on this, and you can see the details that have been given. The password is not uh, given here. We need to generate a password by using the key that we have downloaded, right? We have created a key, right? So by using that key, we have to generate a password. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect to uh, this EC2 Windows machine by using the RDP. So we have in our system, if you are using the Windows, you can see here. Go to search and just click, just type REM remote. We can see the remote desktop connection. See, so this, and you can give the this uh, public DNS. Just copy this one and paste it here, and just click on connect, and it will be asked username and password, right? So username you can see here, right? Just copy it and paste it here, and password you just need to go to you just need to click on what click on get password, right? Sorry, just need to click on this get password, and then you can see upload a private key file button, right? You can just you can just click on this and connect to browse that key pair that we have downloaded, right? So I'm connecting that, and decrease the password. This is the encrypted password, right? So you need to decrypt the password. Just click on the decrypt the password. So the password is generated now, and just copy it and paste it here, and click on OK. It will be there are some warning that is getting. You just need to click on yes. So now you have logged into your EC2 Windows machine. It's just like a plain computer, plain Windows computer. You can see here. Will take time. Yeah. See, now the Windows machine is created. Windows virtual machine is created. You can install whatever the software you want. You can do whatever you want. You can do. So it will ask for to connect the internet. Just click on yes. So you can go to browser, and okay, start without your data, and okay, just click on Google. See, it's browsing. Everything is happening now. So you can install the software, you can download anything, you can install your own softwares, and the details that have been given, instance details that have been given here: host name, instance ID, private IP, public IP, instance size, everything have been given here. The region availability zone that you are using. So everything have been given. This is the plain computer that you can connect to. In the next video, or in the coming video, I'll also show you how to connect to Ubuntu Linux and all that. Okay, how to create instance for Ubuntu Linux, and how to connect to that instance. Okay, so for now, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button, and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you.